Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkuliso Soccer. Ngicela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe bafethu. Si-live e-FNB Stadium. Nasi starting 11 se-Kaizer Chiefs. Laphana emuva bazoqala ngoPeterson and then ukwinika uzoba noMiguel, no-Inacio Miguel laphana emuva. Then ku-left back ikhona uCross. USolomons namhlanje surprise uSolomons. Then laphana ku-midfielder bafethu kunoNgcobo noMthethwa, uModi noShabalala basemasayidini boba uThuna. And then i-strikers namhlanje bane-strikers u-2 Priest noLilepo. I mean it's surprising ukubona i-strikers u-2 le system ebesingayijwayelanga for ku-Kaizer Chiefs overall ukuthi bazodlala i-formation enje, but-ke I mean yes they have to go forward bathola amagoli laphana. Why? Because they need 2 goals at least, mele bakore ugoli ingakafiki laphana i-second half. So first half they have to score igoli nakanjani. So kuba ne-strikers i-2 banika leyo nto leyo bafethu ukuthi bakwazi ukuya laphana phambili ba-contribute bakwazi ukushaya amagoli. Masibheka laphana ebhenchini le-Kaizer Chiefs overall bafethu khona uNtwari, khona uFrosler, khona uMcCarthy, khona uShinga, khona uMatlow, khona uCele, khona uSirino, khona uDa Silva, khona uDuba. And then umuntu esingamu-expecta if let's say uShinga potentially ke namhlanje angadlala i-first game yakhe eKaizer Chiefs, if uCross maybe ngeke abe ne-good game, but isobona. But it's nice to see uShinga finally making the match day squad after a long time bafethu abantu bebuza ukuthi ukuphi kanti uShinga ngoba wasayinwa uShinga laphana overall but akakadlali. But ke masingangena emaplayini weKaizer Chiefs sibone ukuthi maybe ubani ongaba highly influential laphana benzela izinto zenzeke. uLilepo I think i-strength sakhe bafethu uLilepo angazama ukuphusha ngempela ukuthi iKaizer Chiefs ithola ama-results, and umuntu onayo lo aggression leyo serious ngempela. And siyamazi uLilepo ukuthi uversatile kakhulu bafethu, uyakwazi ukudrift esayidini, uyakwazi ukuba i-traditional number 9, uyakwazi uku-operate laphana. So I mean uzodinga ama-assist kakhulu ukuthi babeke uMduduzi Shabalala esayidini bafethu is very important, because abantu abanye ama-analysis or abanye abantu bebasho ukuthi uMduduzi Shabalala uyakwazi ukudlala ezi-wing, and uMduduzi Shabalala namhlanje udinga ukudlala one of his best game. I-best game yakhe kumele kube namhlanje bafethu, azama ukuphusha, akwazi ukuphusha ngempela, create ama-results for i-Kaizer Chiefs laphana phambili, penetrating the spaces, ashaya ama-killer passes, akwazi ukurida igame, abone ukuthi uLilepo ukuphi, amride kahle, aride let's say and then aride kahle uLilepo nama-movements wakhe ukuthi angabi too offside, because bazobe bagijimisa ukuthola ama-results. Elinye iside esingalibheka uDu Preez will be expected ukuthi asebenzise i-pace yakhe. Asazi ukuthi iKaizer Chiefs izozama ukudlala ama-counter attacks or izofuna ukuya all out, but into esingayibheka enye bafethu important kakhulu kule game le Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi as much as bafuna uku-attacka, siyabona ukuthi banama-attackers amaningi laphana namhlanje, so better than the previous game in fact, ngoba khona uModi attack-minded, uShabalala attack-minded, Lilepo attack-minded, Du Preez attack-minded, and then uNgcobo uyakwazi ukudrifta back ukuya phambili aphinde abuye futhi nasemuva, izinto ezinjalo. So uyakwazi ukuba central aphinde assist naphambili, akwazi ukuba i-number 10, so uzokwazi ukuswitcha on and off, aye phambili aphinde adrophe futhi nasemuva. So uzobaleka kakhulu for iKaizer Chiefs. So it's all to Kaizer Chiefs, they have to do it all bafethu, they have to grind the results. Squad isikhona as well equipped ukuthi singakwazi ukuthola ama-results konke sokulele kubo abafethu ukuthi bona bathini kahle kahle namhlanje, are they gonna deliver or kuzoba nama-excuses again. But uLilepo ubhekiwe ngempela bafethu ukuthi akwazi ukushaya amagoli. Maybe uSilva laphana ebhenchini uzokwazi ukungena from the bench enze izinto zenzeke bafethu. uCele usebhenchini, I mean one of the warriors weKaizer Chiefs usebhenchini uCele. McCarthy naye one of the good defenders in terms of laphana iKaizer Chiefs, siyazi ukuthi umfana akakabi ne-experience ekhulu usafika, but kumdlali lona important kakhulu for iKaizer Chiefs. Maybe angakwazi ukungena later on a-change izinto, but njengoba bengishilo bafethu ngeke kube lula, it's going to be very difficult namhlanje. The aggression, everything nje iKaizer Chiefs, they have to push ukuthola ama-results overall. Cela ukuyibamba lawo kwamanje bafethu, ngithi danko, cela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe, making sure ukuthi le page ifika ku-15,000 subscribers.